Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, very sideways, kind of slow day, but if you did take my recommendation from this morning, hopefully you were looking for longs and probably caught this nice little push up right here. Now, I definitely do not see any reason still to do anything but look for longs. This little move down right here could still be another pullback within an uptrend. All the higher roadmap timeframes are definitely not giving us the reason to start thinking that this is making a significant move down. So anything I see to the downside on the 1 hour time frame and below, I'm definitely still looking at as a possible pullback and a possible opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.